Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm not gonna show my face, I'm gonna go directly into work. So I have a Nokia 3410 that won't start. Then I have another Nokia 3410 that starts, but it won't show anything on the screen, or it shows just a few things. So I'm going to take the mainboard from this one and the display from this one. And I have the swapped body shell that I got as a gift. So should work. Let's begin. Let me try one more time with this one. Maybe... Oh, this is where my SIM card went. I was looking for it. My god. Oh wait, it won't start because I'm guessing it doesn't have the button, or it's snapped. 1 out of 2. No need to try anymore. Time to disassemble this boy. Or girl, your preference. And going faster, 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 faster. This is a very easy phone to disassemble. Now we have this front part, which I'm going to clean. Then let's look at the lower half. Of course, it's as I thought. The button, it's missing. See? The power button is missing. Everything looks pretty clean on this one. It will be an easy clean. I don't know about the button, but we'll see. And I will take one of these parts to put in another phone that I have some problems with. I'll do a complete cleanup of this phone, like I did before. That's one. That's two. Now it's that time for the antenna, which is usually a sensitive part, so pressing it carefully not to break it, but I'm pretty sure at least one of these things will get broken, so. Of course it broke. It's impossible for at least not one to broke, like I said. And I'm not gonna waste my time fixing it because it will get broken again anyway. And I will need to take this thing. Oh, the dirt in this poor guy. Oh my god. Ugh. Two different worlds right here. Disc. Whoever had this phone. And I think I know who had this phone. It may be an old friend. Oh, let me guess, he already opened it up. I don't like the crunching sound it makes. This one is busted. I think I may need a disinfectant after this. This is stick together, oh my god. I'm gonna need this part out of it, and not only, but I'm afraid of what I'm about to find here. Where did you drop this, dude? Whatever, I've seen worse. I need to straighten this up. Here's the condition of the mainboard. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm keeping this phone for myself, so the email is not important anyway. Yeah, this one with the broken, the missing button. Well, maybe if I can put a button on it, it may work, but yeah. I'll get to cleaning and be right back. I've cleaned it. Now let's do a challenge how fast will I assemble it. Speedrun, baby. I mean fully assembled. I disassembled everything. I even disassembled the microphone in 3 pieces while off camera, unfortunately, because I forgot. So I'm gonna press start. 3, 2, 1, boom. Wait, what? Oh, whoops. Yeah, yeah. Using my fingers to pull them up this time. Right. Okay. Sorry about my squeaky chair. I'm going to fix this. Want me to make a video about repairing my chair? I ordered some parts anyway, so yeah, this thing is still dented here. Not for long. There we go. Not that long anyway. Stupid screw had to fail. Oh no, I haven't prepared the body shell. Dang it, no, I'm sabotaging myself. No! Oh, wait, is it pressing? Yes, it's pressing, good. Minutes and 51 seconds and 92 milliseconds to assemble this. I wasn't referring to the whole phone because I don't have the whole body shell yet. So let me put the SIM card in now and the battery before looking for the body shell. I'm looking to see if it works. Ooh, liking those pixels. Ha! I'm long dead, boy. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good laugh. Ooh, all is on display. 2002 technology. Or 2001. 2001, I think. Let me look for the body shell. Ta-da! Oh, and I forgot about the buttons. I have to clean the buttons from this one. Don't you dare snap on me. Yeah. Round 2 of cleaning, baby, and I'll be right back. Done cleaning, wasn't easy. Boom. Well, it still has its fair scratches on it, but it's a used body shell, not new, so let's be fair here. $222 talk towers, nice. And why these old phones won't get out of this menu? Dang it! Okay, turn off. And now turn on, bitch. Ta-na-na-na-na. Yeah, I'm already dead a long time ago. Yeah, boy, I like those tones. Snake 2, baby. So, this was the phone. Now to do some prank calls. Nah, just kidding. I don't do that. I don't like it. But hey, if this video gets 10,000 views, I may show the phone number that I have on this phone, because this SIM card, it's a available one, and from time to time I'm using it to my phones. So, let's see what will happen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourselves. Bye bye.